All right. So I think the reason I am taking this recording now is I think we'll be using some satellite photographs, and I'm not sure how many of you aware of using this uh, Google Earth. So I think I'm going to show today how to simply look at Google Earth historical satellite photographs and creating actually time lapse uh, GIF images. So that's basically this tutorial is about. Yeah, so let's get started. So if you don't know what's Google Earth is, just write Google Earth Pro. So you should download the software. So that's basically where it is, this one here, and then download this for Windows, free download. So once you install this, um, you actually you should open the software. So uh, go and find Google Earth Pro. So that's basically my Google Earth. So I'm just clicking. When it starts, we are going to basically, that's basically the program looks like. And I write here Şile, Istanbul. Okay, so that will take me straight to Şile. And so the areas that we are actually working on here. So I'm gonna simply just focusing on this particular uh, query, the mining spot, and I think everyone can simply use this method and create actually a time-lapse video. I think that's very important that I think every group should really do that because we have the data. So I'm going to show how to do that now. So basically, the steps are we are going to first open this tool here. This is it's like a uh, clock, and if you press this, it will actually load the historical satellite photographs of this location. So starting from, as you see, the latest one is October 2024, and the earliest one is like 1985. But the 85 one is actually quite bad, the quality. So I'm gonna start actually from 2002. So they basically we have like 20 years of data. So I think this is good enough for us to show how this landscape has transformed and become this current state. Okay, so let's do that. To do that, we also we need to simply turn on. I can turn off this. I can close this one from this tool, like just on and off. This hiding this toolbar. So leave that off. And I also take my screen, try to make my screen clean as much as I can. So also, if you think there are other things, I think they are all fine. But if you want to, you need to make sure the screen is actually quite clean. I think we only need basically um, we only need the scale. So scale legend, you can open it from here. You see it's just here under view. You can turn on and off scale legend. Okay. and and I think the rest is status bar. What is that one? We don't need the status bar. Uh, that's fine. The status bar is basically showing the coordinates. If you need it, you can also open that. But maybe we should open it because it also provides us the date here. So let's keep that open. Okay, so let's get started. So first we start from the latest picture and we go back and save it. To do that, you go and file, save, save images, and this will give you here, this will give you basically, if you go to the map options, you can turn on and off. I think we don't need a legend here. Turn that off. I think the title and description is also not relevant. Scale and compass is fine. These are some styling versions. I think this is full color. This is the saturated color base, and this is grayscale. So I think it's better for us to see now in the color format. Let's use, or maybe the desaturated one. That looks kind of not too bad, but maybe the color looks better. Okay, let's use the color one. Um, and we choose the resolution. So that's actually current one. Try to make it a medium sort of one. Like I think this should be fine. 1920 multiply 1080. So that's actually not too bad. That's actually good. Medium size. We can actually use this for to create actually a little GIF. Okay, let's choose that. You need to make sure exactly where you want to place your query. So I think I suggest do this, put it in the center. Okay, just put it in the center and do not, you shouldn't really move it. Okay, this should always, when you take the photographs for each print screen, yeah, make sure this doesn't move and remains still. Okay, so after that, I think it's good to go. I just save the image. Create like a folder in your where you keep your files. Ideally, I'm always creating a new folder for basically for my courses. So this is like material, Google Earth tutorial, and I create like a PNG. So starting from, I think this is going to be, um, so this is like the date format I am using. Which date is that? That is, I think, 10, uh, so 10, 2024. So it's make it PNG, okay, and save it. So that's saved. So we are going to do all. And I will now do the second one, which is uh, if there is actually not big change, you can omit that. So let's go to the 5. It's not really. Let's go to 12. Let's get this one. 12 2022. Okay. So everything is same. I don't change anything because it's the same. So I simply save this image with this new date, 12 2022. Okay, so that's the second photograph. So I'm actually saving it and going back. So going back to in the history, and now I will go to the next one, and I actually pause this for my recording so I can continue later until I finish the process. So this is like the last one. So as you see, I have a fair bit of pictures here. So there are a couple of years doesn't exist, so do not worry about that. Just what data you have should be enough to create actually um, this. So okay, now once we finish saving those images, basically it should be in your folder. And now we will be using another tool, which I will show in a second. So these are like the photographs we have here. Okay. So, okay, let's, now we need to provide actually alphabetical order. So to do that, we need to give each date a letter. So starting from the earliest photograph, which is the 2002, I simply just write A and space, okay, and then the second one is I think it is 2000. I think this is the first one. Sorry, this is B. This is B. And this is, oh my apologies, this is from my previous one. I think I delete this one. This is not relevant. This is from an old test. So I remove this and that makes confusion. Delete this. Okay, so now starting from 2002, which is um, 2000. I think this is the one. 12. So this is the one here. So A, capital, and then um, the next date is the next date after 2002 is 2009. So that's, we have this one here and make it E space, and we have 2009 August, that is C. And I continue to label those and I pass this here. And finally, this is the final one, which is Y. Put the letter Y. Yeah, so if you cannot change this file name, you can right click and you can rename. So simply you need to find the rename, and rename makes that change, okay? Okay, so now we have, this is ready for us to edit for actually creating a timeline now. To do that, we are using a tool which is actually the name of this tool is as GIF. So just write as gif.com, and you need to do GIF maker. Here is the GIF maker, and then you need to simply choose this choose them here. You can upload images straight here. In my case, I think I can simply drag them. So Control A, and then put it here. Okay. So it's uploading the files. It can upload up to 200 megabytes. So that's why do not make the file size very big. So that's basically 4 megabyte in total now. But up to 200 megabyte you can actually upload. So this is uploading. Okay, so the upload finished. So there are 21 files, and you're gonna see it's like this, and you can now test based on these values here. So you can create a delay time, and you need to test this, and you can, if you leave it empty, this will loop forever. I think it's better to keep it empty so we can actually we can use this if you want to show also digitally in one of your poster. You you can, I think, use global color map. So the same set of colors for all frames. I think that will help to reduce the file size. Let's tick that one. Okay, I think that's ready to go. Let's press this. Let's make GIF. Let's see the outcome. Yeah. So that's it. And now you can also, I think, increase the delay time. Maybe let's make this 10. Okay. Maybe 15 is better. Okay. All right. I think that's it. Let's save this now. Save. So it will save as actually a GIF file now. And let's open that after it's saved. It's going to be 20 megabyte. So that's basically it. Let's open it. So that's the file here. So if I open this, open with photos. As you see, you can see this change over time. Okay, so basically that was the purpose of this tutorial. So I think you can also use those photographs separately for your mapping purposes for representing each year. Okay, thank you.